Hello everyone, my name is Gyanendra. Today I want to start new playlist on data structures and algorithms. In this series, we explore the data structures and algorithms uh, which is used in programming. And so, for simplicity, I want to divide the whole this series into two parts. First part will be data structure, and second part will be algorithms. So, in data structure part, we will first explore what is data structure and why it is needed in programming. So for that we will use multiple example and go through with all data structures. And in algorithms part, we will explore what are the algorithms we have and why which algorithms perform better and according to other. So so throughout this journey, we will explore the whole concepts behind the data structures algorithms. So by the end of this playlist, you have the knowledge of the data structure and algorithms concepts. Let's start this series and don't forget to like and subscribe.